How to create new timeline in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page, which is where most of your timeline work will happen. You can find the edit icon at the bottom of the workspace, usually represented by a small razor blade. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Media Pool tab if it's not already visible. Add some clips to the media pool, then drag a clip into the timeline to create a timeline from it. Now, select some of the clips from the media pool and then right-click. From the menu that appears, choose Create New Timeline using selected clips. A small window will pop up. Here you can name your timeline whatever you like. If you want more control, uncheck the box that says Use Project Settings. This gives you options like setting a custom resolution, frame rate, and audio track configuration. Adjust these settings based on the needs of your video. After you have set everything, click Create and your new timeline will appear immediately in the timeline panel. You can now drag your media into the timeline and begin editing. If you ever need more than one timeline in the same project, just repeat the process. Each new timeline is saved in your media pool and can be switched easily by double-clicking on it. And that's it. Now you know how to create new timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.